Toi, tu acquises qui?
You, who are you?
Où tu as trouvé le pouvoir et l'autorité d'acquiser cet homme?
Where have you given the power and the authority to accuse that
C'est comme
person?
au temps de la femme prostituée.
It's like the author of the prostitute
Au
woman.
temps de la femme attrapée par l'adultère.
Or the woman that was caught in adultery.
Come on, Papa. Come on, Prophète.
Vous savez Dieu,
You know God.
depuis qu'il est Dieu,
Since he's been
il a
God,
seulement 3 écritures.
he only has 3 scriptures.
Dieu n'a pas 4 écritures.
God doesn't have 4.
Dieu a écrit 3 fois seulement.
He wrote 3 times some only.
Pour la première fois
The first time
que Dieu a écrit,
when God wrote,
c'était sur la montagne de Sinaï.
it was in the mountain of Sinai.
Amen.
Les 10 commandements.
The 10 commandments.
Pour la deuxième fois
The second time
que Dieu a écrit,
when God wrote,
c'était au temps de Daniel.
it was the altar of
Il y
Daniel.
a une main qui est sortie.
There was a
Et
hand
cette main a écrit,
and that hand wrote,
compter,
count,
compter, peser,
be-
diviser.
and divide.
Ce soir,
It's there.
Dieu va compter tes ennemis.
God will count your
Il va compter
enemies.
tes ennemis.
You will count your
Ce
enemies.
soir,
This afternoon, this
Dieu est
evening,
prêt
God is
de
ready
compter
to count.
ceux qui t'accusent.
Will accuse
De
you.
compter
To count.
ceux qui forment des réunions pour
Those that
t'accuse.
meet against you.
Compter,
To count.
compter,
To count.
peser.
To weigh.
Lorsque Dieu
And once
est
God,
en train de compter tes
you
ennemis,
started to count your
il va
enemies.
te mettre toi et tes ennemis dans
He's
la
going to
balance.
put you and your enemies in a way.
Alors toi, tu pèses plus que tes ennemis.
You are weighing more than your
Tu
enemies.
pèses plus que tes
You
ennemis.
are weighing more than your enemies.
Parce que tu pèses
Because you are weighing
plus que tes ennemis,
more than your enemies.
ils seront divisés.
You will be divided. Amen.
Et quand un homme se divise,
And when the men divide,
c'est un peuple de son pouvoir.
and then they lose the power.
Les lois accompagnent ça.
The day they will scatter.
Les lois vont la diviser.
The day they will be divided. They will, because they touched the wall already. When that person now is you, that person now is you, that person now is me.
Pour la troisième fois
For the third time,
que Dieu a écrit,
when God rose,
c'était au temps de Jésus.
it was in time of Jesus.
Bakami mwasi
And they beheld the woman
na kinumba.
in adultery.
Tala.
Look,
Tamo nyonso.
every time,
Tamo nyonso.
every time,
Nzamba wa trouble ba muna no sakelo yeba.
God can make your enemies go
Pendant que toi
down.
tu dis c'est fini,
While you say it's the
c'est
end,
Dieu qui commence avec toi.
it's God that starts with
C'est
you.
Dieu qui commence avec
It's
toi.
God that starts with you.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
What happened?
La première erreur va ça.
The first mistake that they done,
Bible Loli.
the Bible says,
Mutu bakala na kinumba.
the person that they held in,
Ba ya kana na kata vérité.
they don't come to
Ba ke na
the
na
city.
libanda vie.
They come and they bring them out of the city.
Mais ba mota ko bakani
But
mwasio.
when they held that woman,
Ole ba ke na libanda vie.
instead of bring them out of the
Ba
city,
meta ye mama.
they to stone
Ba
her.
ye na kata vie.
They brought her inside the
Erreur
city.
mi ba le ba
The
sala.
second mistake that they
Ba e
did,
ko présenter devant les souverains.
they come and presented it to
Les
sovereign.
souverains ne condamnent
The
pas.
sovereign does not
Les
condemn.
souverains est là
The sovereign is
pour
there.
plaider la cause des saints.
The cause.
Jésus n'a pas donné la réponse.
Jesus did not answer.
Afukami,
He bowed down.
Asokoma.
He wrote,
Nalobi na olelo.
I tell you today,
Accusateur na yo.
your accusers
Ya monde à ténèbres.
in the darkness realm,
Accusateur na yo.
your
Ya
accusers
monde physique.
in the physical realm,
Accusateur na yo.
your
Ya
accusers
entourage na
in
yo.
your surroundings.
Lelo bakobendana.
Today they will
Lelo
scatter.
bakobendana.
Today they will surround Jesus and
Où sont ces gens qui te condamnent?
where are those people that condemn
Où
you?
sont ces gens qui t'accusent?
Don't where are the people that accuse
Yes,
you?
Alobi.
Jesus said,
Moi aussi,
me also,
je te condamne non plus.
I don't condemn you.
Vas-y.
Wow.
Bien-aimé. Si Dieu ne te condamne pas,
If God doesn't condemn you,
qui a ce droit et ce pouvoir de te
who
condamner?
has the right and the power to condemn you? Yes.
Qui accusera les élus de
Who
Dieu?
will accuse the elite of
Qui
God?
t'accusera?
Who is accusing you?
Problème na yo.
Your problem.
Est-elle sous famille na yo?
It doesn't matter your family.
Est-elle sous aninga na
It
yo?
doesn't concern your friend.
Est-elle yo? Na maboko nzambe.
Come in the hand of God.
Après,
After,
tu vas marcher la tête haute.
you will